So I wanted to ask like each one of you guys, like how did you guys start? Like what made you guys become, artists, musicians?
Oh, for me, I've always been in music like since I was 8 years old. My dad taught me how to play guitar, and then got into keys and bass, just church band. But then was always involved with the church band, and then became a DJ. And then from there I started making mixes, and because of copyright couldn't get any money off it, so I started doing the covers just because I could monetize it, and now I've just been creating ever since.
For me it was just same as Twitch, just growing up through music, Sunday school, White Sunday and that, and learning, you get your smacks from your mum when you get paurua and that. And then they stand you up and sing in front of your uncles and aunties at the gatherings when you're trying to hide in the room. But that's how it started for me. But honestly, I just wanted to record one song. My first song I recorded was a cover of Uau Mailo Kelly from Pune Lava. Oh, yes. Shout out to Pune Lava. But many of us know it as Ao Puntia. But it's really Uau Mailo Kelly, that's the name of the song. Oh. Yeah, it's not Ao Puntia. And RSA did a remix, so I mean they sort of brought it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it's not Ao Puntia, it's Uau Mailo Kelly. That's the song I did first, and I just wanted to do one track, and my studio producer's going, Sola, man, you should just keep going. Yeah. So just one after the other. Yeah, now we're here.
I hear.
I think we're all the same, eh?
Yeah.
But I'll just continue my dad's legacy because he's a musician. I know everyone know this song Langono Le Arofa, but everyone's that's Nifoloa from USA earned that song, but that's my dad's write that song with his brother. And then when they go over to America, and then they sell the song just for $100. Yeah. But in the music industry, Sam found me, man. He's the man. That's why you guys always sees me going around with him, and someone's some people ask me, hey, is that your brother or is that your dad? I was like, come on. But yeah, I was singing in I was just a singer, like a band singer, lead singer. And then he came over that one night. That's my lucky night, I never forget. Saturday night, and then he asked me, are you keen to record? And then the following day, Sunday, and then he called me to come over to Teacher Records, and then we record our my first original song called Taufonofono. And then that one original song, it take me up there, man. Yo. Yeah. So yeah, that's all for me.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, I'm the same, man. I didn't grow up with music, but I just like music. I like sounds. I like sounds and that. Yeah. I just like hearing music everywhere.
Yeah.
I love music.
Well, it's crazy because how you guys saying was that one song that that put you guys up there, man. So imagine if it was a different song. Would you reckon we get the same recognition if you guys started with a different song?
Yeah, can't really. I don't know. For me personally, I don't know. Well, for me, because I dropped Mafafotasi and then I did a English cover. And so they both hit two different audiences, and they've both done similar. Mafafotasi's doing a comeback, but I did a cover to Adriana Balangi song, and that did well on its own as well. So I don't know, for me. But it definitely gave me confidence, dropping that first one gave me confidence to drop the next one and the next one, and
Yeah, same. Dropping the first one, it was a classic song, Uau Kelly or Ao Puntia, as many know it. Just did my reggae version to it, and a lot of people loved it, so I just kept on going. And but for me, music's just a hobby, man. Music is the best medicine in the world, it's a universal language. And in your dark times, your sad times, your happy times, music's always there, man, to keep you going. When you're working out, music's there. Everything make you laugh, where music's there. Let's get it on.
I just love music, and And the most of my originals are based on a true story, like
Oh, yeah.
really, really true story. Yeah, and I think that's why it go viral, like because you know, it's
Authenticity
like,
of it.
yes,
Oh, yeah.
and plus the
Yeah.
like we know nowadays, like I'm not saying that to put some new, like, you know, up and coming artists down, but it's just like they have to, like, you know, do it properly. We will sound more, mate.
Oh, that's true though. I feel like that's what a lot of people, that draws people to music. As you were saying, like it's always there, and like it has like it depends on your emotion. And I feel like the songs you guys released, like it just like everyone can relate to it, and like, you know, they feel your emotion, like the realness of what you're delivering, and that's what like made every people come your way. But yo, before we head off, you guys have any words of inspiration, or like, you know, for artists that are coming up, or people that haven't become artists yet? You know, they want to, but like they're too shy.
For me, just grind hard. You know, if it's your dream, chase it. Don't let anyone stop you, but also be honest with yourself and your sound. Get a second opinion as well, because you might not like it, but everyone else loves it. So yeah.
So for all the up and coming artists, don't be scared to, like, you know, fail, because, you know, it happens to me sometimes. Like I really want to release this song, but I'm just like it might be, you know. But yeah, you must fail for 1,000 times to succeed once.
Yeah, just, don't give up, eh? That's about it. Just don't give up.
Yeah, same. There was a flea, man. Don't give up. Just dream big, man. And go hard, work hard at it, and you'll reap the rewards. Yeah, sweet.
But yeah,
And don't listen to the haters. Block their noise and just go hard. God bless.
oh, just one more question. Sorry. So like how you're saying when you get like a second opinion, how do you differentiate a constructive criticism from a hater's opinion? Like how do you differentiate? Like how do you tell the difference?
You can kind of tell someone's energy, you know, like
Yeah.
if like, for example, I always hit Flea, because like, you know, I'll send him a track and I'm like, "Oops, what do you reckon?" And if Flea was to say something like before he even, like if I just send it to him, I know the track's 3 minutes and it's in half, like 30 seconds, he's like, "Nah, it's trash," you know, like I'll be like, "Okay, why?" You know, and then he'll be like, "Oh, the drums or whatever needs fixing," or something like that, like where it can be fixed, rather than, "Nah, it's just a lost cause." You know, that's being a hater to me. You know, as long as it's something you can build on. Yeah.
Well, yeah. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for coming in, for giving your time here. I know you guys have a
Thanks for
show
having us also.
to prepare and to save your voices as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys tonight.
Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
shout out to Eyespy Radio, man.
Eyespy. Let's go.
Tell for love Samoa.
Best.
RSA tonight. Let's go.